Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Atheist Twist. If it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Today, we're making a popular Ghanaian street food, Kelewele, which is spiced fried plantains. Let's get started. We will be grinding our dry ingredients separately from our wet ingredients. So for our ingredients, we have cloves, Calabash Nutmeg, black pepper, Anise seed, Jamaican pepper, onion, ginger. So we're going to put all our dry ingredients here first. That's our black pepper, Calabash Nutmeg, cloves, anise seed, grind everything together. For our wet ingredients, we'll be using a half medium-sized sweet onion, 1 Jamaican pepper, and some ginger. We will blend this together in a hand blender. Try as much as possible not to add any water. We're using 3 medium-sized plantains. We'll peel these and cut them into bite sizes, making it easier for all the flavors to marinate and get into the plantains. So you can have your kelewele as a meal, a dessert, or a snack. I will be having mine with some roasted peanuts today. So now we're going to add our grinded dry spices to our grinded wet spices. We're going to mix these 2 spices together. Add some salt and mix everything together. We will be pouring our spices onto our plantains. Mix everything together and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. The longer you marinate this, the better the taste. It's time to fry our plantains. I will be deep frying these plantains. I usually add some onions to my oil to enhance the flavors. So the first batch goes in when the oil is hot. Please be extra careful with the hot oil. You do not want to stir this right away. Let it sit in the oil for at least 3 to 5 minutes before stirring so that the spices do not fall off of the plantain. We want all those juices and spices in our kelewele. In about 4 minutes, I will be stirring to make sure that my plantains don't get burnt. Depending on how you like your plantains, I usually like them very crunchy but not burnt. So you have to keep an eye on this. Keep stirring until you have the color that you want. This color is just right for me, so I'll be taking out my kelewele. I'll put it in a paper towel lined plate. We're having our kelewele with roasted peanuts. This kelewele was so good. You can try this at home and give us a feedback. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace to you all. Bye.